Well, hello there. Today we are working on some orders for Monday's drop off. I'm working on the pink smiley face flower cup. I got everything ready. My desk is a mess, but here's a list of all the cups that are going out this week. I just have to make 2 cherry ones and a monstera leaf one and a pink flower one, and then I'll pack them later on. But let me show you the other cups that I made so far. Here's the strawberry cup. I think this one is so cute. I might make a red option, so I'll have red and pink and probably a peach color. I don't know. I also did a custom named cup. I really like the way this one came out. I think it's nice and simple, like an elegant kind of look. The monstera leaf one. The next one that I'm making, it'll be a medium green and a light green, so I'm excited to see how that. We've got the scrunchies that I made over the weekend. I got a watermelon one, tie-dye and Hawaiian looking one, and then I have this tie-dye one. This one is probably my favorite. I don't know, I really like the way this looks. We're gonna peel this off. Look at that. This is the end result. I really like it, and now I let it sit for about 24 hours so that it cures, and I'll put that with the rest of the cups. Next cup we are making is the green monstera leaf one. So I clean the cup with rubbing alcohol first, just to get rid of any oils or dirt, to allow the adhesive to stick better and last longer. Then you just let it air dry. Ta-da! Aren't these cute? Look, I really like how the light green and the medium green is looking together. Peel this. Yes. Period. Look at how cute this came out. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to list this on the website as well, along with the pink one. I'm obsessed. Literally. These are the cups. You've got the flower one, and you've got the pink strawberry, and the 2 monstera leaves that I did yesterday. So you have the cute green one and then the pink one. So I'll pack all of them up today, including the orders from today for tomorrow's shipment, and then we should be done for this batch of orders.